Hey everyone, if you love your Stanley one-handed mug as much as I do, you were probably pretty bummed when this happened. Yep, this button which opens up this little spout came off. It broke. I was super bummed. I've had my Stanley mug for about 4 years, and after daily use, truly daily use, this button finally came off, and it was starting to leak fluids around here. I was really bummed. Started looking online thinking I had to buy a new one when I went to the Stanley website and realized that they have a lifetime warranty on their products. I contacted them, sent them an email, and in a week I received this little box from Pacific Market International Inc. in Sumner, Washington. Look at what I got. A new lid. Look at that. Brand spanking new, with the button still attached, not coming apart. Lifetime warranty, guys. Stanley, email them if your lid is broken and they will send you a new one. All right? Check it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. Take care.